Okay. Thanks for joining. Okay. So today's date is April 13th. India में time है 8:47 a.m. I'm starting the news now. Thanks for joining. Delhi Education Minister Atishi takes stock of preparations of Delhi Sports School. The school will start functioning in July. List of non-performing employees being prepared by Delhi Mayor ने बोला है. Delhi Mayor Shelly O'Brien has instructed all zonal officers to prepare a list of employees who have been deliberately failing to fulfill their duties towards the public. Her office said on Wednesday to improve accountability and performance. A list of non-performing employees is being prepared and there will be no tolerance for negligence. She was quoted as saying in a statement issued by Mayor Office. CM Arvind Kejriwal has directed the Labor Department to reach out to over 13 lakh construction workers of Delhi and offer them free bus passes after proper registration, verification with the Delhi Building and other construction workers welfare board. After women, Delhi government is now thinking about free bus passes for city laborers. 6 key witnesses have approached the High Court and exposed the conspiracy of BJP's abuse of ED. आप लोगों को ये देखना पड़ेगा जहां पे तुम्हारी बेटी का क्या करेंगे हम देखो, तुम्हारी जिंदगी बर्बाद करेंगे, तुम्हारे वाइफ की जिंदगी बर्बाद करेंगे, तुम्हारा फैमिली की जिंदगी बर्बाद करेंगे. These are all the words that they were using. ED वाले धमकियां दे रहे थे. CM Bhagwant Mann frees 9th Toll Plaza in Punjab, says it's not the last, asserts that these toll plazas are in reality the shops for the open loot of general public. Will not request the centre on every matter, asserts CM Bhagwant Mann, says we will safeguard the interests of the farmers. Punjab government to bear the value cut on shriveled and damaged wheat imposed by the centre, says MLA Santosh Kataria. DC Randhawa assured the farmers of uninterrupted procurement of wheat. Energy Agriculture Department organized Kisan Mela at Balachar village. Punjab police recovered 36.9 kg heroin from Fazilka. 4 arrested. एक मिनट. या फिर उसके बाद बीजेपी आजकल एक फेक न्यूज चला रही है आम आदमी पार्टी के बारे में. एक स्कूल को दिखा रही है बहुत अच्छी तरह से. वो स्कूल दे आर सेइंग दैट ये देखो दिल्ली का स्कूल, ये लोग बोल रहे हैं, बट इन एक्चुअलिटी वो एक एमसीडी का स्कूल है. पिछला 15 साल से बीजेपी राज कर रही है. रिसेंटली आतिशी मारलेना वो स्कूल गई थी. It is a Wazirabad MCD primary school and its appalling condition you can see in that fake news. फिर इसके बाद Aam Aadmi Party is set to contest the by-election in Pune Lok Sabha constituency. Already Aam Aadmi Party number of candidates भी ढूंढ रही है. Is preparing to fight the by-election in the arena of Pune. आम आदमी पार्टी ने बोला है कि फेक केसेस वर फाइल्ड अगेंस्ट मनीष सिसोदिया, stages a protest. AAP workers hold protest outside BJP headquarters against Manish Sisodia's arrest. Sachendra Jain on Tuesday asked a Delhi court to transfer 2 cases related to the alleged corruption and money laundering brought against him by the CBI and ED to another judge. आपको मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि बेसिकली ये एक ऑपरेंडी है ED और CBI का. They want to keep these cases only in Roscoe's court. Ross Avenue court में ही रखना चाहते हैं because of one technical order which they have created. मैंने कल बता दिया था 2019 में ये technical order लेके आई थी ED ने, जिसके साथ they can keep whichever जो भी ED और CBI का केसेस होते हैं उनको एक ही जज के पास रखने की कोशिश करते हैं वो, और एक ही कोर्ट के अंदर जितने भी जजेस है उनके बीच में ही रखते हैं. एंड ये रॉस एवेन्यू कोर्ट के अंदर जितने भी करप्ट लोग हैं उन्हीं लोगों को यूटिलाइज करके वो तारीख पे ऊपर तारीख, तारीख के ऊपर तारीख लगा के वो उनके अंदर रखती है. मैंने कल एक्सप्लेन किया था ये पूरा सिस्टम. एक्साइज केस में दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट नोटिस टू ईडी ऑन विजय नायर्स बेल प्ली. जल्दी से अजीत पवार जो कि एनसीपी के है वो इट लुक्स लाइक वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. एक एमएससी बैंक स्कैम है केस है जिसके ऊपर ईडी ने चार्जशीट फाइल किया. उसमें अजीत पवार और उनकी वाइफ सुनित्रा नहीं है बट बाकी के बहुत सारे लोग हैं. सो स्लोली बट श्योरली अजीत पवार को बीजेपी ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. प्लीज एनीबडी जो भी महाराष्ट्र में है वेट कीजिए बीजेपी अजीत पवार ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Social Security, Women and Child Development and Social Justice, Empowerment and Minority Minister Baljit Kaur Punjab ka handed over appointment letters to newly recruited 35 clerks and exhorted them to work with zero tolerance towards corruption and discharging their duties and dedication. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar and Deputy CM Tejas Yadav met Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the national capital yesterday. 6 more MLAs missed the ticket as BJP announced a second list of 23 names. आम आदमी पार्टी से बाहर चले गए क्या नाम है उसका नाम या भास्कर राव he has been announced as BJP candidate from Chamarajpet in Bengaluru on April 11th. Congress leader Kogadu Timmappa's daughter joins BJP ahead of the Karnataka polls. फिर इसके बाद कर्नाटका इलेक्शन में लक्षण सावड़ी has resigned from BJP after being denied ticket. बीजेपी ने अपने लिस्ट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स में एक लीडर को चुना है जो कि यशपाल सुवर्णा है उसका नाम है. आपको याद होगा रघुपति भट्ट नाम की एक बंदा है, 3 टाइम एमएलए है जो उडुपी में बीजेपी का नाम लेके इलेक्शन जीता था पिछले 3 बार वो जीता था वो. He has made one of the worst comments about हिजाब के बारे में and उस समय बहुत ही बुरी तरह से बातें किया था. He said these people are Naxalites, terrorists, ये सब चीजें यूज किया था. अभी उस बंदे को निकाल दिया, एक और दूसरे बंदे को लेके आए बीजेपी, उसका नाम है यशपाल सुवर्णा ने एक मुस्लिम फादर एंड सन को टेररिस्ट बोला था. 2005 में he has been accused for assaulting Muslim people for transporting cars. फिर उसके बाद वो बैकवर्ड क्लासेस मोर्चा he is national general secretary of भारतीय जनता पार्टी बैकवर्ड क्लासेस मोर्चा इन अप्रैल 2021 है. उसको अभी एमएलए दे दिया और रघुपति भट्ट को साइडलाइन कर दिया है. ऑब्वियसली उसके अगेंस्ट में बहुत सारा नेगेटिव कमेंट्स थे रघुपति भट्ट. उसके जगह पे ये यशपाल सुवर्णा को बीजेपी ने कर्नाटका में टिकट दे दिया. India's general government physical deficit pegged at 8.9% in 2023. ये दिन साल पर साल बढ़ रहा है. The report has projected India's general government debt to remain largely stable at 83.2% of the GDP in 2023 as against 83.1% of the GDP in 2022. 0.1% बढ़ा है. और ये fiscal deficit is expected to be at 8.9% of the GDP. It is projected to further ease to 8.3% of the GDP in 2024 according to the IMF. ये fiscal deficit कम होने वाला है. IPP industrial product output rises in February as factory activity picks up in pace. CPI inflation falls below RBI upper target band in March. Soaring milk prices may become a hurdle to Modi's government's inflation fight. In terms of the outlook for this year, we believe that milk prices will continue to increase since there is a shortage of milk heading into the peak demand season. Economists बोल रहे हैं. India में as of now, the average retail price of milk in India has increased by 12% from a year ago to 57.15 rupees a liter. A mix of factors is at play. A jump at the cost of cereals has made cattle feed more expensive, coupled with lower dairy yields as cows were inadequately fed due to pandemic rupturing demand at the time. In turn, milk, which has the second largest weight in India's food basket, pushes up overall inflation as well. India's headline inflation for March fell below the central bank's target of 6% as high as high interest rates cooled overall demand according to the data released on Wednesday. However, milk inflation trended higher than the overall figure at 9.31%. Ukraine to allow Indian students to appear for key exam from India itself. Retail inflation falls for 15-month low in March on easing price pressure. At $11 billion exports, India to become global market device leader. Ashwini Vaishnu बोल रहे हैं. Electronics exports cross 1.8 trillion rupees. Mobiles alone surpass 90,000 crores. India reports 1,149 न्यू कोविड केसेस. गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है कि ये एपिडेमिक की ओर बढ़ रही है इंडिया में कोविड केसेस अभी. One death, active tally at 3,347. Russia's flagship oil moves closer to $60 per barrel cap threshold. Okay. इंडिया में आउट ऑफ द 30 सीएम, करंट 30 सीएम्स में से 39 सीएम्स आर करोड़पति. 29 of the 30 incumbent chief ministers are crorepati's, with Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy having the highest assets totaling 510 crores, according to the polled affidavits analyzed by the ADR. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has the lowest total assets of about 15 lakhs. There are 28 state chief ministers and 2 union territories. Delhi and Puducherry also have chief ministers. The union territory of Jammu and Kashmir does not have a chief minister. वहाँ पे election हुआ नहीं है. According to the ADR report, out of the 30 CMs, 13 have declared serious criminal cases, including those related to murder, attempt to murder, kidnapping, and criminal intimidation. The top 3 chief ministers in terms of assets are आंध्र प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर जगन मोहन रेड्डी. आंध्र प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर जगन मोहन रेड्डी. नेक्स्ट है अरुणाचल प्रदेश का पेमा खांडू, उसका ओवरऑल 163 करोड़ से, और ओडिशा चीफ मिनिस्टर नवीन पटनायक 63 करोड़ से. The 3 chief ministers with the lowest declared assets are West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for 15 lakhs, Kerala's Pinarayi Vijayan 1 crore, Haryana's Mohanlal Khattar 1 crore. Both Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Arvind Kejriwal's Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal own assets worth rupees 3 crore. 4 jawans shot at in Bathinda cantonment. Normally BJP इसका पूरा यूटिलाइज करती है, बट जल्दी से आर्मी ने ही इसका खुलासा कर दिया. इट्स एक्चुअली ए फैक्ट्री साइड. भाई भाई की झगड़ों के बीच में ये हुआ है. शूटर्स आर येट टू बी नैप्ड. पॉलिटिक्स आर एट प्ले एट वंदे भारत फ्लैग ऑफ. पॉलिटिक्स करने वाले और कोई ये नहीं है, हमारा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी. He took a jibe at Lalu Yadav and he said that Indian Railways has been used for politics. वो खुद पॉलिटिक्स करते हुए ये बोला है कि Indian Railways has always been used for politics. बीजेपी ने एक्स अकाली दल लीडर अटवाल को जलंधर लोकसभा बाईपोल में अपना कैंडिडेट बना दिया है. पीएम मोदी बोल रहे हैं कि मध्य प्रदेश has excelled in education sector more than any other in India without making much ado. MCD Moyer polls on April 26. Nominations open till April 18th. Delhi school gets a bomb set. Police declare it hawks after 5-hour operation. दिल्ली एक्साइज पॉलिसी केस में दिल्ली एक्साइज पॉलिसी में ईडी हैज अपोज सिसोदिया's बेल प्ली. वो क्या बोल रही है कि ईडी बोल रही है कि सिसोदिया ने मेल्स सेंड किया है. से ईडी contended that Sisodia was not only the head of the group of ministers, but he is also the excise minister and had played a key role in the modification of the excise policy. On top of that, Sisodia has been sending out fake emails say to get a good opinion about the excise policy to everybody. Sisodia has refuted the arguments advanced by Advocate Joab Hussain for ED, appearing before Special Judge M.K. Nagpal submitted. He is also the key persons involved in creating the ecosystem for the creation, dissemination and transfer of the proceeds of the crime. He said that Sisodia ने क्या किया? He has sent fake emails to everybody. He said that with the change of policy, the increase in the profit margin from 5% to 12%, allocation of zones which included 27 retail shops instead of the recommended 2 retail shops per individual, allotment of retail shops through auction instead of a recommended method of lottery, and private control over the wholesale business instead of the government control were made without any deliberation. Conspiracies are hatched in secrecy. Policy making is not done in secrecy. ये सब कुछ किया उन्होंने. And on top of that, he said that Sisodia got emails planted regarding the group of ministers report with fabricated emails sent to show fake public approval when the government of a group of ministers asked for public comments and feedback on policy. माने जब पब्लिक कमेंट्स पूछा तो सिसोदिया हिमसेल्फ पूरी तरह से फेक ईमेल्स का एक सिस्टम चलाया जिसके साथ पब्लिक ने कुछ नहीं सेंड किया, एनी कमेंट सेंड नहीं किया, सिसोदिया खुद कमेंट सेंड किया. ये ईडी की कंटेंशन है. दिस इज व्हाट इंडिया की सिस्टम अभी. MCD draws up plans to utilize cleared landfill sites. Cleared landfill sites को कैसे कैसे यूज करना है MCD उसके लिए एक सिस्टम बना रही है. Center to allocate 1500 crores for Delhi road infrastructure. DCPCR Delhi's Commission for Protection of Child Rights has ने एक early warning system शुरू कर रही है जिसके साथ it is going to help. It has helped 55,000 kids resume school in Delhi, it seems. Officials from DCPCR said that currently the system tracked 19 lakhs students from 1,040 schools in Delhi, including some private schools. It uses the students' attendance as a key indicator and leverages technology in predicting schools' adversity and enabling timely remedial intervention. The information was given by DCPCR during an event on International Street Children's Day on April 12th, nearly a year after EWS early warning system was launched in March 2022. Officials said that in most cases, the student did not officially drop out, but was chronically absent from the schools. 55,000 students को स्कूल से वेकेशन लेते हुए स्कूल आने में रुक गए थे. उन सभी लोगों को DCPCR ने लेके आया फिर से. High Court seeks Delhi government center's response on enactment of law to protect lawyers. अभी दिल्ली में दिल्ली का LG hails police for ensuring law and order during रामनवमी processions. सुकेश चंद्र के शेखर ने अपने लॉयर के साथ मिलके एक बहुत सारे व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस को लीक किया है. इसमें ये बोला जा रहा है कि AK Bro, when AK Bro का कोड आया तो इट मीन्स केजरीवाल घी का कोड आया तो 1 करोड़ है. He said that के कविता जो कि BRS की MP है उनके बीच में ये सब केजरीवाल और ये कविता के बीच में कोड वर्ड में पूरा व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस का डिस्कशन हुआ था. ये व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस को उसकी लॉयर ने रिलीज किया. इसका कोई वेरिफिकेशन भी नहीं दिया उन्होंने. Supreme Court to rule on quota for Dalit Muslims and Christians won't wait for panel बोल रही है सुप्रीम कोर्ट. इंडिया ने यूके को बोला है कि प्रो खालिस्तानी ग्रुप्स आर मिसयूजिंग द असाइलम पॉलिसी. जो भी पंजाब से है लोग आ रहे हैं उनको असाइलम नहीं देना चाहिए. ये इंडिया खुद अपने सिटीजन्स के बारे में बोल रही है. Amid heat wave predictions, Delhi government issues advisory to the schools. अभी in a setback to the DMK government, RSS gets a Supreme Court note to hold marches in Tamil Nadu. I think Supreme Court भी चाहती है ये सब कुछ होने के लिए. Okay. Center revises CGHS package to retain the hospital services. Central government health scheme एक होता है has decided to revise the CGHS package rates for all beneficiaries and has also simplified the referral process under it for the benefit of the employees. Officials said that the revision has been done for the first time since 2014 in order to retain hospitals offering the services. Many private hospitals wanting to opt out from CGHS panel because the rates haven't been revised since 2014. WHO has its eye on new COVID variant which seems to have a new symptom in children rarely caused by other Omicron substances variants. COVID moving towards endemic stage in India. XBB 1.16 subvariant isolated. Health Ministry official बोल रहे हैं. Hindu Mahasabha का एक leader and 3 aides were arrested in Agra for planting Hindu-Muslim enmity. So कर्नाटका में बहुत्व कर्नाटका रिपोर्ट एक आई है जी. इसमें बहुत्व कर्नाटका ए फोरम फॉर जस्टिस हार्मनी एंड सोलिडारिटी उसने कर्नाटका के अंदर एजुकेशन सेक्टर के बारे में एक रिपोर्ट जारी किया. They have released a first in a series of report cards giving the incumbent governments a failing grade of E. E दिया था उसने एजुकेशन के डिपार्टमेंट में गवर्नमेंट की फेलियर. According to the report, learning levels of the state has seen a drastic decline, with only 8.6% of the class 3 students able to read class 2 level text compared to 19.3 in 2018 as per the annual status of the education report. Educationist VP Niranjaranya said the closure of the schools during the COVID-19 pandemic combined with poorly planned and implemented national education policy program has caused significant education depravity for students, especially those in government schools and poor private schools who could not access online education or have meaningful home support. A rowdy sheeter who is a member of BJP is protesting in Bengaluru because बीजेपी ने चमराजपेट का टिकट एक रिटायर्ड आईपीएस ऑफिसर भास्कर राव को दे दिया. एक history rowdy sheeter named Silent Sunil, who is also a party member, has been protesting and demanding the ticket for himself. Sunil and his supporters staged a protest demanding a ticket for him. Bhaskar Rao, who is also the former BJP police commissioner, however, said he would be open to the idea of seeking the support of history sheeter Sunil Kumar, also known as Silent Sunil. This is the disgrace of Bhaskar Rao. I can't say anything more, man. Balakot shootdown of chopper में IAF panel is recommending court martial of group captain. The general court martial ordered the sacking of group captain for the crash of Mi-17 B5 chopper in Jammu and Kashmir's Budgam after it was hit by a missile on April 27th. The helicopter was struck by IAF's own surface-to-air missile when the chopper was on its way back to Srinagar. On the day, India and Pakistan Air Force were engaged in a dogfight, according to the court of inquiry. States confront medical debt that are bankrupting lakhs of people. इंडिया में बहुत सारे स्टेट्स के अंदर मेडिकल डेप्ट चल रही है because of low interest rates. मेडिकल डेप्ट और भी इंक्रीज हो रही है एंड जनरल ट्रांसपेरेंसी एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द केयर भी इंडिया में डिक्लाइन हो रही है. इसमें उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, कर्नाटका, ओडिशा, झारखंड टॉप पोजीशंस पे. महाराष्ट्र में एक गांव है, नासिक में मालवाड़ी नाम की एक गांव है. इस गांव का एक स्पेशलिटी चल रही है. इस गांव को सेल पे रखा है. इस गांव में एक भी हाउस होल्ड नहीं है जो डेप्ट फ्री है. Everybody in this gaon are in debt now. When Maharashtra was celebrating Gudi Padava, bringing in the new year with a fresh harvest, this village has all but given up. Not an inch of land here is debt free. Not a single household has any other source of income except farming. The harvest was one of the distress and depression and debt have pushed many of the residents on the brink of the selling themselves. So literally अपने गांव को इन्होंने सेल पे रखा है. Anybody who wants to buy this गांव, they can come up and they can buy that गांव itself. इतनी सिचुएशन में ये आ गई है. PM Modi has praised Ashok Gehlot for coming for Vande Bharat launch. He said that the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot एक अच्छा देशभक्त बन के when the Vande Bharat train was started, he has come as of now. These are the news which I have as of. कोई भी कुछ बात करना चाहता है तो प्लीज बोलिए. Anybody. आजकल मुझे कुछ न्यूज के स्पेस में कुछ लोग मैसेज कर रहे हैं कि तुम एंटरटेनमेंट का न्यूज क्यों नहीं देते हो. आई एम नॉट इवन इंटरेस्टेड इन इट सर. मैं जो भी लोग हैं उनको मैं बता दूंगा. और एक दूसरी चीज है, कल बीजेपी का गवर्नमेंट असम में हमारे आम आदमी पार्टी का एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है सुशांता नाथ, उसको अरेस्ट किया है और इम्पोज नॉन बेलेबल सेक्शंस फॉर सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट अबाउट द नरेंद्र मोदी 14 अप्रैल को जा रहे हैं वहां पे बिहू नाम की कुछ फेस्टिवल को संबोधित करने के लिए. तो उसके लिए सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट डालने से आम आदमी पार्टी के स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को अरेस्ट किया. आफ्टर 27 hours of struggle, he has been given bail from CJM court. आम आदमी पार्टी ने हार्ड वर्क किया. Okay, anybody wants to say anything, please go ahead and say. हाँ बोल गया. हाँ हाँ